Let's wait for the hot water. Why you cry? Huh? Why you cry? Huh? No. Why you cry? Why? Why you cry? Listen. Why you cry? Bigla naman nagiging sad. Okay. You pray to Jesus that for it, okay? Jesus, if you want to, please give me a happy birthday party at McDo. You want?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, ano pa naman? There's a time pa naman. Don't worry about your birthday, okay? Na, smile na. Smile. Jesus naman talaga. Pangarap. Let's go na. Let's go na.